Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SMS in Digital Engagement Salesforce Service Cloud. Let's get into it. First, go to Messaging Settings. The first step is to find the area where the system controls how you talk to people. You need to get to the right page to start the process. Use the Advanced Setup search box or the menu to find and click on Messaging Settings. If available, look for the main dashboard where all your chat and text tools are listed. Follow the prompts on the screen to finishing the setup for your messaging tools. Click the buttons to confirm your choices and make the service active. By finishing the setup, you are telling the computer that everything is correct and it is safe to start sending out your messages. It ensures that your work is saved and that the system is actually ready to talk to your customers. Next, open Business Details. Now you are going to find the spot where the system keeps the main information about your company. From the home screen, click the gear icon and scroll down to Business Details. Look for the section that holds your company name and your main office info. This section is like the ID card for your business. You have to go here to make sure the computer has the right information for your project. It is the key step to getting the right output so your company looks professional to everyone who sees it. Lastly, add your contact information. The final step is to put in the actual numbers and details that people will use to call or find you. You can add your contact info, such as phone number. Type in your main business number and make sure it is correct before you save. This is the final step because it gives your customers a way to reach out. By adding your phone number, you are making it easy for people to get help with your project. Once this is done, all your main contact info is in the system and ready to go. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To get ready, you first go to Messaging Settings to find your tools. Then, you finish the setup to make the service live. Next, you click the gear icon and find Business Details from your home screen. Finally, you add your contact info and phone number so people can reach you. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.